Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my go-to protective style. This is going to protect your hair. This style right now, I kind of put it in a little puff, but if you want to like protect your ends or anything like that, I just recommend just putting it in a bun and just wrapping it and making sure that it's secure. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Chloe and I post videos every single Friday. I've been really thinking about getting into hair videos a lot lately, so if you guys are enjoying the hair videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post videos. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I don't know what else to say, but let's go. So I'm going to start the style by parting my hair in half, and I'm just using this comb that I have. This is the only comb that I have, so we're just going to work with it. This style works really well if your hair is kind of old and like it just needs to be washed. This is what I do when I'm in college and I'm just struggling, like I just need to get my hair managed, so this is what I do. So I'm going to take the same comb and part it down, and I kind of do like a little bit more than an inch, and this is where I'm going to braid my hair. So now that you have the two pieces of hair that you're going to start braiding, I'm just going to take a regular old scrunchie and I'm just going to put all the rest of the hair away just so it doesn't get tangled and it just doesn't go all over the place. This could be a style by itself. Like if you just want to go out like this, kudos to you, you got it. I'm going to use the Canon coconut curling cream, and you guys have probably seen this all over YouTube already, but I really like this cream. At first I didn't like it, like at first I really hated it, but now like I don't know, my hair just likes it now. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on each section and then comb it out. I kind of just take like this much, rub it through my hands. Oh, this stuff smells so good, guys. Make sure to get your ends, guys. Your ends are the driest part of your hair, so make sure to put as much moisture as you possibly can because your hair will thank you later. So I'm just going to comb it out just a little bit, nothing crazy, because you know I don't want to be edgeless. So after that, I'm just going to seal all the moisture in with the Pantene Intense Hydrating Oil, and I actually talked about this in my previous video. If you guys want to see, I just put all of like my top products. If you guys want to check out that video, I will put it up here on the screen. This stuff is like hard to put out, but yeah. And I'm just gonna put this all over my hair, and it gives like a really nice shine that I like. So yeah, I'm gonna use the praying hands method and just yeah. So after I part my hair, I'm just going to braid it, and there are like countless videos on how to braid. I literally just taught myself how to braid one day, and yeah, if you guys can like follow along and how I do it, I literally just keep picking up hair as I braid all the way down. If you guys are not good at braiding, I'd also recommend flat twisting because that's a little bit easier to do. So like I would do flat twisting first and then try and do the braids. But yes, so I'm going to just braid this all the way down. Don't you worry, your edges are going to be laid after this. I'm just going to do that to the other side and I'll get back to you. So when you get to like the end of your braid, it doesn't really have to be that neat because it's going to be tucked back anyways, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, it's fine like this. All people are going to see is from here to like here. So if it's messy on the edge like this, like, it's fine. After that, I'm going to take out my scrunchie that was keeping all the rest of my hair back. I'm going to take the same cream that I was using for my braids, and I'm just going to put it on the perimeter of my hair, like the rest of my hair. And I just use this much, just rub it in between my hands and just apply it all over. This is when you want it to be as sleek as possible, because this is what people are going to see, like this little part right here. Yes, you can spray it with some water. Yeah, and don't forget to get your kitchen back there, because that's important too. I feel like a lot of people neglect their kitchen, but you gotta moisturize your kitchen, because if you don't, it's just gonna look dry, and we don't want that. And if you guys don't know what a kitchen is, it's literally just like the back of your head, like the little hairs on the back of your head. That's what I mean. So after that, I'm just going to take these 2 braids and literally take your 2 hands and just pretend like you're putting everything into a ponytail. Hold it. Just pretend like you're putting everything in a ponytail, which you are, and like you can position it so the braid is not like bending or anything like this. After that, I'm just gonna take the brush again and just smooth down the top of my hair. That's where my hair tends to be the most frizziest. And make sure not to put too much tension up here, just because like your edges and all that. Just take any scrunchie that you have and just wrap it all around. I usually wrap it around like 3 times, but my scrunchies are so like overused and like stretched out that I literally have to wrap it like 3 times. You can leave it out in a ponytail if you want. You can put it in a bun, and that's what I really like about this style, that it's very versatile. Like, you put it in a bun, you can put it in a ponytail, you can add a ponytail if you want to. Like, you can do a lot of stuff. For the finishing touch, I'm just going to use my Eco Styler gel, and this is the black castor oil one, and I'm just going to use my edges brush. And I actually got this from the beauty supply store, if you guys are wondering. I'm just going to do my edges. I'm not going to go crazy. Like, I'm literally just going to do a little swoop and we'll be alright. And it's not even that much. I literally just want it to look neat, and it's already pretty neat because like I've been wearing my hair in a bun like every day, so my hair is kind of just laying on its own. But if you want some extra pizzazz, you can do this, you can do the fronts if you want. But yeah. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to leave any comments down below, any video requests that you guys have for me, and I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye.